Hello, welcome to Ink and Glam Freebies. I have to show you all the samples of freebies that I got in the mail this week, and this was an amazing mail week again, so I'm very happy about that. So let's start with magazines. Huge magazine haul. I had Teen Vogue, US Weekly. Oh, I got the Victoria's Secret catalog, but that doesn't really count. Latina magazine, The New Yorker, Self, Allure, which I don't even know when I signed up for it, so I'm just waiting to get the receipt and cancel it. More magazine, which came with a coupon for buy one get one free from Rue Anti-Aging Care, which is only available in Sally Beauty, but anyway, another US Weekly and Vogue. Then moving on to beauty samples. For the first time, I finally got the Fat Hair hairspray, and I got a travel size, and it also came with a $2 off coupon. And these ones go like crazy. Like whenever they come up, they only last like 5 or 10 minutes, so I don't even know how I was lucky to grab one of these. And then this is a great sample. So Pantene was offering free samples for their shampoo and conditioner, and this is for the Freeze line. So it comes in this really cute box here, and it comes with a $2 off one Pantene. This is a good coupon, and it's good until January from next year. And then it comes with a shampoo and a conditioner. So these are great sizes. They're so Smooth and Sleek is the name of these. So that's pretty awesome. And then I got another sample, the Lab Series Skincare for Men. So it came with a little foil package, and they think this is Age Rescue Water Charged Gel Cream. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing, which is not a sample, but these comes from Sephora, are pretty rare. So they sent me a $15 off a $50 purchase. So I'm happy about that, and they kind of give you some ideas on what to buy. I am a Sephora Beauty Insider, so I have their rewards card. So it's not a credit card, it's just a rewards card. So I am planning to make a purchase on them. I'm gonna be buying this Tarte set with money that I got from doing videos for Expo. So this is gonna save me some time doing videos. So it's like $15 credit. So I'm really happy about that. I have no food samples this week, but I got a lot of miscellaneous weird random stuff. First thing is from Grizzly, and it's this cooking ore. And when I saw it online, I got very excited because wooden utensils for cooking are great. But I'm like, whoa, like they're really wanting you to make a huge stew or something. So, I mean, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. Next thing I got, and I got these from Amazon. So I don't know if you remember or you watched my video a couple weeks ago. I had received this ice maker for making ice balls, and for when I gave my review on it, they asked me if I wanted to receive another product to review. So these are Lego ice trays. So you see they are shaped like Legos, and these are actually Lego men, so that's really cute. So you can use them as ice makers or for baking. So I'm definitely gonna give these a try because that looks really interesting. Another thing that I got in the mail, this is from No Kidding Coupons. So that one you only pay 1%. So this one was probably like 10 cents or 15 cents. And these are labels to put on glass jars. I actually ordered this a while ago, and I accidentally got it sent to the place where I used to live. So I finally saw my old roommate, and she gave these back to me. And then the last thing I received from No Kidding Coupons are these De Nada cooking, baking utensils. These are so beautiful. Look at this. So it's the whisker and these other three different tools. So I got these 3 different tools, and again, I think I paid like 10 cents for this. So I'm really excited. Of course, I will be including the link to No Kidding Coupons down here. And then I have a couple more things to show you. I got this mail from Victoria's Secret, and I am an Angel card holder, so I have their credit card, and they send you a present for your birthday. So I got a $10 off. So it's basically a $10 coupon for my birthday. My birthday is coming up in January. I got this weird sticker from Pacific Rim. It says Weed Killer. I don't really know what that means, but I mean, it's cute except for the weed killer. Anyway, another thing that I got in the mail, and this is, I don't know if it's a freebie, but if you've watched my videos about the couponing, that you could get $50 in Procter & Gamble and pay almost nothing. It included the fact that they send you, if you spend $50, they would send you a $20 gift card for Publix. So the card finally arrived, so I'm very excited. I was starting to worry that it would never arrive. And then the last thing I have to show you is from Walgreens. So this one is not from the mail. You could order a free 8x10 print. So I just ordered this. This is a picture from when my fiance graduated. Yeah, so I got that from Walgreens. So it was an amazing freebie week. I can't complain, combined between the things that I got from No Kidding coupons and just random things that had to arrive. So it was a great week. I hope you had a great week too. And I'll see you soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And then don't forget you can also find me on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.